How to start freelancing.
Freelancing can be an incredible way to earn a living on your own terms. But, it can also be a daunting task to figure out how to start. So, in this video, I'm going to share some tips and advice to help you kickstart your freelancing career. Step 1. Identify your skills. The first step to starting a freelancing career is to identify your skills. Think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. This could be anything from writing, graphic design, or programming to photography, social media management, or accounting. Once you have identified your skills, you can start thinking about the specific services you will offer. Step 2. Define your services. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to define the specific services you will offer. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you may offer logo design, website design, or branding services. By defining your services, you can better market yourself to potential clients and stand out from the competition. Step 3. Set your rates. When you're starting out as a freelancer, it can be challenging to know how much to charge for your services. Do some research on industry standards and consider your level of experience and expertise. Don't undervalue yourself, but also be reasonable in your rates to attract clients. Step 4. Create a portfolio. A portfolio is essential to showcase your work and demonstrate your skills to potential clients. You can create a website, a social media page, or a profile on a freelancing platform. Make sure to include samples of your work and a brief description of your services. Step 5. Find clients. Once you have defined your services and created your portfolio, it's time to find clients. Reach out to potential clients through networking, social media, or freelancing platforms. You can also pitch your services to businesses or individuals who may need your skills. Make sure to tailor your pitches to each client and demonstrate how you can meet their needs. Step 6. Deliver high-quality work. Once you start working with clients, it's important to deliver high-quality work that meets their needs. Communicate effectively, be responsive to feedback, and deliver work on time. Your reputation as a freelancer depends on the quality of your work and how well you work with clients. Step 7. Build your reputation. As you build your freelancing career, focus on building a positive reputation. This can lead to repeat business and referrals. Make sure to deliver high-quality work, communicate effectively, and be professional in all of your interactions with clients. A good reputation can be invaluable in building a successful freelancing career. In conclusion, starting a freelancing career can be challenging, but by identifying your skills, defining your services, setting your rates, creating a portfolio, finding clients, delivering high-quality work, and building your reputation, you can build a successful career on your own terms. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in your freelancing journey.